Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn online Quran. Begin by choosing a teacher and platform that match your goals, then set a consistent daily time for practice. Create a dedicated, quiet study space with reliable internet and necessary materials. Track progress weekly and adjust session length as needed to avoid burnout. Stay patient and gentle with yourself while building a meaningful habit. Select tools that support your learning style, such as Tajweed videos, audio recitations, and interactive apps that give feedback on pronunciation. Pair recitation with translation and tafsir to connect words to meaning, and use spaced repetition for memorization. Record yourself to compare progress against teacher examples, and schedule periodic live reviews to correct mistakes. Consistent use of diverse tools. Adopt practice strategies like short, focused sessions, daily reviews, and gradual tempo increases for recitation. Memorize in small chunks and immediately review earlier material to strengthen retention. Use audio shadowing to mimic correct pronunciation and record practice sessions for self-assessment. Schedule regular live feedback with a teacher to correct errors early, and celebrate small milestones to maintain motivation and consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.